Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Don't You Know That? The song is Don't You Know That by the artist RUBEN STUDDARD, and the choreography is 216 Forward Motion, Jay Somerville, and Yanni. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in a step-by-step instruction, check out the choreographer, and also I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it. You know you can't go wrong with Luther Vandross and RUBEN STUDDARD singing it. All right, guys, that's Don't You Know That? My name is Linda Sims. I'm the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you